Hey everybody, Raddad Cooks here. What's good? I know what's good. It's avocado season. If you're catching this video outside of avocado season, those are the months of January to March for the Mexican harvest, and that's where most of our avocados come from, of course, unless you're out here in Cali. But avocados seem like one of those things that are either getting given away or they're like $5 a piece. So let's take advantage of the season and whip up some guac. First, we're gonna start off by having 2 avocados. I like to just stick the knife halfway through and then rotate the avocado and keep the knife stationary. Next, we're gonna karate chop that pit. It comes right out. And then we're gonna put some little striations with our knife. We're gonna run our knife very gently. Don't wanna come through and slice up the old feeler right through the X and Y axis. This is gonna give us some nice little cubes, so when we scoop them out, it'll be easier to mash. I don't know if you've ever tried chasing a slimy avocado around a cutting board, but it's not a good look. With a medium-sized spoon, we're gonna scoop out our avocado chunks into our mixing bowl. Next, we're gonna mash up 2 garlic cloves, and we're gonna get them minced up as fine as we can and get them in there. We wanna go fine because we don't wanna get surprised by a big old garlic chunk. A little salt, a little pepper, a little skeet, about a teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil in there, and then we're gonna start mashing. That olive oil is gonna help our salt, pepper, garlic coat the avocados and give us a little moisture to get mashing. Now this part is up to you. You can make it as smooth or as chunky as you'd like, but I'm guessing since you're making it from scratch, you do want a little bit of chunk in there. You don't want that puke that they sell at the grocery store. Next, we're gonna take half a Roma tomato, dice it up, and then we're gonna take a quarter of a red onion and dice it up. These are gonna be kind of like our little ancillary flavored vegetables in our chunky avocado. Just a pinch of cilantro, don't wanna overdo that. Now we can take our other vegetables and we're gonna mix them in. We're adding these in after we mash the avocados because you don't wanna go mashing up your tomatoes. And Roma tomatoes are a great choice for this because they're kind of low moisture, so they're gonna hold up a little bit better inside our guacamole. Now at this point, you could add a little squeeze of some fresh lemon or lime juice for not only the flavor, but if you're gonna make it ahead of time, it's gonna help it not brown in the fridge. However, I prefer to serve it with some fresh lemon or lime slices. That way you can add as much as you want, and that citric acid's not gonna degrade it and make it watery. I like a thick guac like this that can stand on its own. Well, grab some tortillas, guys, and dig in. Thank you very much for coming by. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Let me know down in the comments. You guys got any avocado ideas or anything you want to see me do with some avocados during this season? Let me know. Thank you very much, guys, for stopping by. And please, if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe and ding that notification bell. Thanks a lot. See y'all next time.
Comment, subscribe.